The subconscious mind is a powerful secondary system that runs everything in your life, from your beliefs and memories to your skills and experiences. It stores all the information that is not in your conscious mind. It also acts as your guidance system, constantly monitoring the information coming from your senses for dangers and opportunities and communicating that information to your conscious mind. In today's video, we will dive deeper into the powers of the subconscious mind and discuss how we can employ Neville Goddard's teachings to harness the power of the subconscious mind to achieve success and riches. But before getting started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, as it helps a lot to make more videos for you. So without further ado, let's dive in. The subconscious mind is the little voice in your head that controls almost everything you do. You may have heard that humans only use a portion of their brains, but that's because the subconscious mind is doing all the heavy lifting. Scientists still don't know everything about the subconscious mind, but one thing's for sure: it's responsible for tasks like breathing, processing information from our senses, and so much more. It's like having a wild monkey running around in your brain, sometimes bringing you useful information and sometimes just causing chaos. But the good news is that you can give your subconscious mind a purpose. When you meditate, for example, you're training your brain to control your breath. At first, your conscious mind is in charge, but eventually, your subconscious takes over, and you don't even have to think about it anymore. Communicating with your subconscious mind can be tricky, though. Emotions are key. Only thoughts that are conveyed with genuine emotions make it to the back of your mind, and only thoughts that are backed up by strong emotions stay there. Unfortunately, negative emotions are usually stronger than positive ones, which is why it's so important to focus on the good stuff. Your first step in harnessing the power of the subconscious mind is to eliminate thoughts loaded with negative emotions. But first, let's talk about one of the biggest obstacles standing in your way: negative self-talk. Negative self-talk is a toxic habit that can hold you back from achieving your goals. When you constantly tell yourself negative things, you're essentially programming your subconscious mind to believe that those things are true. And as we know, the subconscious mind is a powerful force that can shape your reality. Think of it like this: your subconscious mind is like a guardian angel that's always listening. Every time you say something negative about yourself or your life, it takes note. And when you say those things with strong emotions like sadness, disappointment, regret, or self-loathing, your subconscious mind takes them as orders. It goes to work to make those negative thoughts a reality. So it's time to ask yourself, can you afford to let negative self-talk enter your mind? The answer is a resounding no, but don't worry, there's a solution: the countering technique. The countering technique is simple but powerful. Every time a negative thought enters your mind, counter it with an extremely positive counter thought. Let's say you have an important presentation coming up, and you start to think, "I am going to embarrass myself in front of all those people." Stop yourself right there and counter that thought with, "No, I am going to be so good that the audience will applaud me for 5 minutes." This technique can be applied to any negative thought, no matter how big or small. The key is to counter it with an extremely positive thought that you truly believe in. The truth is often somewhere in between, but by countering negative thoughts with extreme positivity, you're reprogramming your subconscious mind to believe in your potential for success. But countering negative thoughts is only one step towards harnessing the power of your subconscious mind. You also need to eliminate thoughts loaded with negative emotions. When you're feeling particularly emotional, your fears are more likely to come true. This is why negative self-talk can be so harmful. It's filled with negative emotions that can lead to negative outcomes. To eliminate negative thoughts, you need to be mindful of what you're telling yourself. Stop the negative self-talk, or at least make sure that it's not loaded with emotions. When you have a negative thought, take a moment to pause and assess whether it's really true. Is there evidence to support it? If not, let it go and replace it with a positive thought. Remember, your subconscious mind is always listening. By eliminating negative thoughts and countering them with extreme positivity, you're programming your mind for success. You're telling your subconscious that you believe in your potential for greatness, and that's exactly what it will help you achieve. Another powerful tool for countering negative self-talk is the delete button. When a negative thought enters your mind, you press the delete button in your mind and imagine how the thought written on a piece of paper is destroyed. Or you can picture in your mind that you are smashing the negative thought with your fist. Your subconscious mind will also act on thoughts that are conveyed with desire. Powered by desire, your subconscious mind will do anything in order to obtain the object of your desire. It would also open all available channels to the conscious mind for information on how to do that. When your goal becomes the consuming obsession of your life, and you have the burning desire to see it come true, then you will be successful. When you have set your subconscious mind on the task, backed up by that strong emotion, then it will allow you to see the opportunity in life that will lead you to your goal. The best athletes become the best only because of their burning desire to be number one. There is nothing else that they want from life except this. This is the dominant dream of their lives. They are willing to do what it takes to achieve it, stay late after the training session, practice their skills more, do what it takes to expand their skill set, and become better than the rest. They set their subconscious mind to look for opportunities to achieve their goals. Cultivating a burning desire to achieve your goals is a powerful way to ensure success. The first step is to define your goal as specifically and realistically as possible. Write it down somewhere and feel it. Visualize yourself achieving it and what your life would look like once you did. Once you have your goal in mind, it's time to employ some powerful techniques to keep your motivation high. One technique is the bridge burning technique. This involves destroying any safe boats you might keep just in case something goes wrong. By eliminating your backup plans, you force your mind into survival mode, and the only way left is forward toward your goal. Another powerful technique is the progress bar technique. This involves filling your life with small achievements that lead you toward your goal. If you want to lose weight, for example, start each day by looking at a graph of your progress so far. Even if there are small bumps along the way, you'll feel motivated to see your overall progress trend downward. Put a picture of someone with the ideal weight on your desk and look at it every day to help motivate you. The motivational technique is another powerful technique that is all about finding what energizes you to work on your goal and using it. It could be positive people who encourage you, motivational videos, or energizing songs. Find whatever works for you, and make sure that the burning desire to achieve your goal is part of your everyday life. Behind the scenes, your subconscious mind will be bombarded with thoughts about your goal, reinforced by the burning desire to achieve it. The most powerful positive emotions are faith, love, and sex. When all three are present, they empower any thought, and it can easily enter the subconscious mind. Faith is a state of mind that may be induced or created by affirmation or repeated instructions to the subconscious mind through the principle of autosuggestion. Faith is different from hope because when we have faith, we are sure of the outcome, and when we hope, we are merely suggesting one possible scenario in uncertain circumstances. Your thoughts, desires, and goals all have a direct impact on the opportunities and ideas that come your way. This is because communication between your conscious and subconscious minds is two-way. Your subconscious mind is constantly receiving information from your senses, filtering it, and deciding what to pass on to your conscious mind. The threshold for conscious perception is the difference between spotting an opportunity and missing it. This threshold is determined by the mode in which you have set your subconscious mind and the load of tasks you have given it. Have you ever noticed that when you really decide to do something, an opportunity soon arises that allows you to achieve it? This is because when you make a decision, you form a thought and imbue it with desire and faith. Your subconscious mind then starts feeding you the information you need to achieve your goal. The method of introducing thoughts to the subconscious mind is called autosuggestion. It comprises all self-administered stimuli that reach your mind through your senses. The dominating thoughts that remain in your conscious mind, whether negative or positive, make their way to the subconscious mind and influence it. A thought dominates if a strong emotion, such as faith, fear, or love, empowers it. The good news is that nature has given us absolute control over the information that enters our subconscious mind through our five senses. However, many people don't exercise this control. As a result, they go through life in poverty or never achieve their goals. If you want to start noticing more opportunities and ideas, you need to power your goals with desire and have faith in the outcome. This will cause your subconscious mind to start feeding you more information on the subject than what others typically receive. Now there is another technique called the mantra technique, which involves repeating a positive mantra in your mind to help you overcome difficulties or fears. The more you repeat your mantra, the more you believe in it, and the more faith you put into your words. And the best part is that this technique isn't just some new age mumbo-jumbo. There are scientific studies that support its effectiveness. But what about the flip side of this technique? We've all heard of hypochondria, the art of convincing yourself that you're sick. And while it may sound silly, this negative autosuggestion can actually lead to physical illness. If negative autosuggestion can have such a powerful effect on our health, then it only makes sense that positive autosuggestion can have a similarly powerful effect on our well-being. And that's where the reading aloud technique comes in. It's a way to reinforce your goals and desires with a powerful emotional charge. By reading your goals aloud after waking up and before going to sleep, you're not only reminding yourself of what you want, but you're also visualizing yourself already in possession of your desire. This helps create a sense of certainty and inevitability that your goals will be achieved. But here's the catch: there's a price to be paid in order to influence your subconscious mind. That price is persistence. You can't just read your goals aloud a few times and expect miracles to happen overnight. You have to keep doing the steps for autosuggestion, keep repeating your goals aloud, and keep having faith in the outcome and the end result. And if things don't go as planned, don't give up. Have a backup plan and keep pushing forward. The difference between those who succeed and those who fail may just be a few days or the availability of backup plan. Those who always say, "In case I do not succeed, I will do this and that," will always do this and that because their mind will always keep thinking about the way out. But those who are persistent, who keep pushing forward and visualize themselves achieving their goals, will eventually break through their limitations and achieve success. I hope I delivered a good analysis of this theory by Neville Goddard, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.